Okay, so welcome to the Zeropark Glossary, which is extremely helpful if you get caught up in some terminology as you're going through the platform. So as you can tell, anything that they don't have a letter for is not going to be active, and then anything they do, you can select. So it's not really that long, but it's definitely helpful just in case you're not familiar with what a bid is or your bid position. Little things like that as you're reviewing your data. And then also conversion delays within the rule-based optimization feature that we still have to go over. So you can get some information based on the resources that you review. And then also if you're not familiar with things like your custom bids, or maybe you want to know what your destination URL is, or let's see, what else do we need help with? We can also look at what a premium target is again, but most of this stuff is covered in the guides that we have recorded for you guys. And then also you have the videos where you can check this out. So this is definitely a great resource for you to refer to just in case you need a refresher on what something means. And don't forget, it's going to be the Zeropark Glossary.